Are your current marketing strategies truly taking advantage of the digital age? Are they reaching the vast audience that the internet offers, or are they still confined to the limits of traditional marketing? If these questions have you pondering, then it's time to dive into the world of digital marketing. Digital marketing, in a nutshell, encapsulates all marketing efforts that employ electronic devices or the internet. It's an expansive field, teeming with a multitude of tools and techniques. But at the heart of it all, digital marketing is about establishing connections with your target audience in the space where they spend a significant chunk of their time, the online world. Now you might be wondering, why is digital marketing so crucial? Well, there are several reasons why digital marketing is indispensable for businesses, irrespective of their size. Here are a few key ones. Firstly, digital marketing enables you to reach a much broader audience. The internet breaks down geographical boundaries, allowing your business to connect with potential customers worldwide. Unlike traditional marketing methods such as print ads or billboards, digital marketing targets your ideal customer with pinpoint precision, saving your time and resources from being spent on irrelevant audiences. Secondly, digital marketing is considerably more cost-effective than traditional methods. There's an array of free and low-cost digital marketing tools at your disposal. Moreover, you can monitor your results in real time, enabling you to fine-tune your campaigns and maximize your budget. Thirdly, digital marketing provides measurable results. You can track virtually everything, from website visits and leads to sales conversions. This invaluable data aids in understanding your customers and enhancing your marketing efforts. Fourthly, digital marketing boosts engagement. It allows you to interact with your customers in real time, be it responding to comments on social media, answering customer service inquiries via live chat, or simply building relationships with your audience. This two-way communication is crucial for fostering brand loyalty and trust. Lastly, a robust digital marketing presence can provide you with a significant competitive edge. By leveraging digital marketing effectively, you can reach more customers, enhance brand awareness, and drive sales. So how can you get started with digital marketing? There are numerous digital marketing channels to choose from, and the key is to select those that best suit your business. Some popular channels include search engine optimization or SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, pay-per-click or PPC advertising, and email marketing. But remember, digital marketing is a dynamic field, constantly evolving with the latest trends. Keep an eye out for the rise of artificial intelligence, the growing popularity of voice search, and the increasing significance of personalization. In conclusion, by embracing digital marketing, you can engage with your target audience in a meaningful way, build brand awareness, and drive sales. So don't wait any longer. Dive into the world of digital marketing today and elevate your business to new heights.